person dies of poverty and hunger every 3.6 seconds. Every hour and 40 minutes, a bride is burned for not having a sufficient dowry. A child under the age of 10 dies of dysentery every 14 seconds. Every 90 seconds, a woman dies from childbirth. Africa alone, a child dies every 30 seconds from malaria. Every 15 seconds, 2 people will become infected with HIV, and 1 child will be orphaned by AIDS. No one has ever come up with a plan that was sustainable. Discussion, action, and future strategy must be planted and implemented now. This is done through a 3-step plan that culminates in the empowerment of our children to achieve the goals we are setting into motion today. No one has ever thought to market peace and look at it as if it is a product, sold at a grassroots level as well as to kings alike through a coordinated marketing effort. Shift 2012 provides a roadmap for the creation of a common pathway in reducing world hunger and economic strife while advancing prospects for world peace. UnthinkLink, a social website that promotes discussion and communication. UnthinkLink will bridge all areas of communication and information highways needed to implement a productive, interactive data-driven site utilized to educate the public, raise funds, appeal for volunteers, mentors and consultants, enable visitors to attend and share video conferencing events, archive important meetings, and create a new system that is environmentally friendly. All not-for-profits, NGOs, CSOs, and other groups can work together and communicate to assist each other in an informal, transparent method toward the action section of the plan. The action plan takes what all nonprofit organizations are now doing, are funded to do, and have the manpower to achieve, but are not focused together as a team to produce. Teamwork will make the dream work. Finally, the far-reaching goal of perfecting and achieving the United Nations Millennium Development Goals for 2015 can be achieved by instituting a program built especially to empower children, Jibba World, joining youth by action worldwide. If we are to teach and reach real peace in this world, and if we are to eliminate war, we shall have to begin with the children. And to do this, an appealing marketing plan for children to enable peace must be put into full operation. The obvious challenge is to occupy the children's time at home with something positive, creating a healthy toy called Jibba the Wizard Dog, which has a health aspect thanks to the use of soft laser diodes, which assist the body to heal itself from bumps, scrapes, sore throats, and other small issues children experience. But more importantly, Jibba introduces a child to the world, a global world. When parents buy a Jibba dog, they actually get 2. One, of course, is sent to its owner, and the other goes to a child in a hospital, a third world country, inner city, or any underprivileged child anywhere in the world. We will have a database of names to pull from easily because of instituting the UnthinkLink and cooperating with the not-for-profits who are in the field. Now the children are bound together as adventure pals, sharing their experiences with Jibba, who is always there to make them feel safe and better. A reality game website has been created where 2 children have to change the world that is presented in the game, our world, to a new world of peace and coexistence. A bracelet and timepiece that comes around Jibba's neck is to be worn by the child. It contains nanotechnology that will protect the child from harmful, extremely low frequencies, radiation, and will assist in ameliorating ADHD symptoms that many children face today, from exposure to computers, cell phones, and fluorescent lights. As an extra bonus, the protection bracelet will vibrate on each child's wrist 4 times a day. This vibration will be felt across the world because all the children wearing the bracelet will feel it at the same time. Every time the bracelet vibrates, the children will be reminded that they are not alone, that they are connected to the world of Jibba children, and that they have a very important job: create peace in the world. Peace, to have meaning for many who have only known suffering in both peace and war, must be transformed into bread or rice, shelter, health and education, economic sustainability, as well as freedom and human dignity. Peace is not something you wish for. It's something you make, something you do, something you are and feel within you and around you, and something you give away. When the power of love overcomes the love of power, the world will know peace. Ladies and gentlemen, we have our roadmap and psalm of creative fulfillment. It is now up to us to choose and commit to fulfill it and walk its path together. The pathway to peace. Shift 2012. Come, let us make that wall talk. I invite you, in the name of peace, take my hand.